So we're going to cook a couple of croissants for you. We have our 1 or 2 croissants. For today, we're using our 2 croissants, it's ham and cheese, and we put it on our Teflon sheet. This ensures that the product isn't sitting straight inside and is going to leave grease residue, have melted cheese that is sticking to your heat plates that can potentially create unwanted smells throughout your cafe or restaurant. So we'll open up the door, we load our croissants, we close the door, and we select the product that we want. And as you can see, the croissant is going to take 40 seconds to cook. Now, from a staff's point of view, your staff won't know what the cycle is. They won't know how much air is going onto the product. They won't even know why it's cooking for 40 seconds because all of that hard work has been done in the setup of the machine. All they need to know is they're cooking 2 croissants. So by selecting the right button, they're going to get the exact results that they're after every time, which will be hot and melted cheese internally, a nice crispy and brown effect on the outside that's ready to go straight on the plate and serve your customer. 2 seconds to go, the alarm will sound. At that point, our product is ready. We open up the door, and as you will see, our croissants are ready to go. Really important in a large, busy establishment, when the alarm goes off, you also see a change on the screen. That's a really clear indicator if you're at a distance that the machine's ready to be empty and your food is ready to come out.